Before starting your run, you can assign your emergency contacts on your phone. That way, if you ever find yourself in need of assistance, you can easily use the watch's built-in running awareness features, as long as you are paired with your smartphone. Forerunner 245 and 245 Music, add emergency contact. To set your emergency contacts, open the Garmin Connect app. Tap More. Tap Safety and Tracking. Select Incident Detections and Assistance. Enter your personal information. After entering your information, tap Add Emergency Contact. Tap the three dots on the right corner. Either select Choose Phone Contact or Create Contact. Add contacts. Then tap Done. You may add up to 3 emergency contacts. Select up to 3 people to add as the emergency contact. Sync the device with your phone and go to Safety. Tap Emergency Contacts to see if your contact has been added or not. Now, if you find yourself in need of assistance, hold the light key until you feel the watch vibrates 3 times. Your emergency contacts will be notified via text message and email. Now you may begin your activities without a worry. Thank you for watching.